So this is a demo on Payfrom on how to create a transaction programmatically. So say from your backend. Currently, just we only have the API option. Later there will be the SDK part where you can use from your front end. So for whatever case, you can use any of these API keys, your publishable key or your secret key. So for the sake of this demo, this is a new account, so I'll just use a publishable key, and I'll come to the docs here, docs, and I think it's still the same key, and try to create a new transaction to see how this. So the chain ID is 137 for this case. So the why am I using 137? I already have a wallet created for this chain Polygon. So 137 is the chain ID for Polygon. How do I get the chain ID? You can get it from this API. That's this. You can fetch the supported chains from these endpoints, as well as you can also see their chain ID. But if you are familiar with the chain IDs for the blockchain, like Ethereum mainnet is 1 and base 8453 or so, it is still the same thing on Payfrom. So yeah, so for this enter my can decide to enter my first name and decide to enter my last name. So these are details for the customer in which this transaction is being created for. Then I'll send the request and I get it. Then this is the checkout URL you get to redirect them to, and so these are the details I entered. Then I connect my wallet. I connect. So this merchant receives on Polygon USDC, and I have Polygon on base. So the point of Payfrom is to be able to accept payments from your customers whose funds are on any chain and you receive on your preferred chain. In this case, it's Polygon, and I have my USDC on base. So to pay, so confirm, and so if we set a callback URL or a redirect URL, it's meant to redirect us there. That's here, but we didn't. So they still meant to redirect us to a success page. But then let's see, and here, okay, sorry. Then here we should see that the revenue actually increased. That's $2, and if you see the transactions here, this is 753, and this is the payment details. That's PCR6. If you check here, which is this, so that transaction. And also for mail, you can check, you also get a mail. See, this is the mail, and this mail was sent 0 minutes ago. Thank you.